Hey there! Today I have a mix and match to unbox. So if you're not familiar with Mix and Match, it is another one of those online styling services, kind of similar to Stitch Fix. One thing though, they do have a couple of options. The option that I do is called the Take a Chance box, where you pay $105.99 and you get up to 4 items of clothing with a retail value of $175, or at least $175. And you have 5 days to decide what to keep. And anything you don't want, you can send back. And postage is free both ways. But the thing with the Take a Chance box is you really get the benefit of the discount up front. But once you return something, everything kind of reverts to its retail value. So it's a little complicated, but I'll put information in the description box below as to how the service works, along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. And Mix and Match also has another option, which is called the Go For It box, which is more similar to Stitch Fix. With the Go For It box, they charge you a $25 styling fee up front, which can get applied to anything you purchase. And they do send you 6 items of clothing, and if you purchase all 6, you get 25% off. But I like to do the Take a Chance box because it is, to me, I think the best value. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so here's what the box looks like inside. And you'll see there's a big packet of information and also a bundle. Okay. So here's my bundle. And with Mix and Match, they always do a really nice job of packaging. So, you know, it's like getting a present, which I really like. I like presents. And I do have a note from my stylist, and my stylist is Alexis, and she's been my stylist from day one with Mix and Match, and I have to say she does an awesome job. And one thing with Mix and Match, your stylist does directly communicate with you. She usually emails me prior to styling my box and see if there's anything that I'm looking for. And another thing I do is they have a Facebook page, and I always like anything that I see that from their inventory that I like. So this month I did ask her, I'm really into, I don't know if you noticed, like denim jackets. So I was thinking maybe I should get like a colored jacket, like maybe either like a pink or a burgundy. So she said she had one in stock, so she did get that for me. Oh, and by the way, she says this is Take a Chance box number 6. So with this box, I normally get 4 items, but for this box, I'm just getting 3 items just based on the cost of the jacket. I think it was kind of a higher priced item, and they try to price it around $175. So let's see, I have 3 items. Let's see what I got. And this is just almost too pretty to open, but I'm gonna open it. Okay, and the first item in my box is a dress, and it's by Gilly, which Alexis knows is one of my favorite brands, and I love Gilly dresses. It's a nice kind of it feels like a knit material, and it has a kind of a faux, is that faux wrap? No, well no, it's just a fit and flare design. It looks like it's navy with a border on the sleeves and on the hem. Very pretty. And this I did see on their Facebook page, and I did like it. So its retail value is $50. So yeah, this is very pretty. Like it. Okay, also I got another dress. Ooh, this is nice too. Also by Gilly. And this is a faux wrap style, and I love faux wrap dresses. Also knit. Okay, and size medium, which is my size for Gilly. And this is valued at $52. Wow. So this is really pretty. Look at that. I love floral, flowy dresses. So yeah. This one has kind of a ruffle in the front, and it has like 3/4 length sleeve. So they both have 3/4 length sleeve. Oh, and it has a ruffle kind of on the bottom too. Very cute. Okay, and lastly, oh, here is the jacket that she talked about, and it's by Liverpool. And it's beautiful. Look at that. It is kind of a dark burgundy color. Very pretty. Kind of love it already. I hope it fits me. It's a size medium. This is valued at $98. Wow. And this is the Liverpool size medium. It does say this is a Liverpool rich velvet classic jean jacket, but it's not really velvet, which is good actually. I prefer it to be more of a jean material. So yeah, it's nice. Yeah, because velvet probably would be more seasonal. Yeah, this is nice. Okay. Wow. Wow. Phew. Okay, so that was everything I got in my mix and match box this month. So now I'm gonna go and try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the first ghillie dress. And wow, I really like it. I mean, I actually love this. I think this is a very flattering cut. It's like fit and flare. And it's just basic. It's just very pretty, flowy. And it has this kind of has a border design. But yeah, I like this. It's very flattering. It's easy care, you know, some kind of knit material, doesn't wrinkle. Very nice. And let's see how it looks styled with a couple different ways. Okay, so here it is with a denim jacket. And this is just that dark denim cut from the cloth jacket that I wear a lot. And yeah, I think you throw on a denim jacket on a floral dress, I think it looks cute. So yeah, so that's that. And I'll try it with a duster. Okay, and here it is also with the duster. So yeah, I think it's just about the same length as the sweater. So yeah, I think that looks cute too. So yeah, I really do like this dress, and yeah, I think it's a keeper. Okay, and here is the second ghillie dress. And yeah, I love this. I love this dress. It's really pretty. It, okay, let's see. So yeah, 3/4 length sleeve. It's a faux wrap. It has kind of some roughly detail going on. It is a little low, so I put a safety pin. It's stretch. It's a knit material, figure flattering. It has this kind of ruffle thing. But yeah, I really love it. I think it's black with some burgundy flowers. So very cute. And let's try on that burgundy colored jacket. And I think it would go with the burgundy flowers. So let's see. Okay, so, and here is the Liverpool jacket. And this is a size medium. So it is a little on the big side, a little oversized, but not too bad. I think it still looks nice. It's almost more like almost that boyfriend fit. But yeah, it's cute, and I think it looks okay with this dress, but I'd probably also wear it with maybe some, I would see some black skinny jeans maybe, or jeans. But yeah, I like this. I think it's really cute. And it's just a very nice, stretchy, quality fabric. It feels more on the heavier side, and it has a little pocket on the inside. Oh, here, we'll just show you a little close. So here's what the jacket looks like up close. Yeah, I really like this. I think this is nice. Wow, I don't know if I could have found this on my own. Okay, yeah, so very nice. I really do like this jacket. And this dress. And that other dress. Okay, so that was everything I got in my mix and match box this month. And wow, you know, actually there wasn't anything I didn't like. I mean, I pretty much loved everything. And yeah, these two ghillie dresses were, I think, perfect. They fit just right. They're comfortable, they're flowy, and I think they're flattering. So I'm really happy with these dresses. And I really do love this jacket too. I mean, I'm not sure if I should size down to a small, but usually I get my jackets a little more fitted. I know with the Cut from the Cloth brand, I typically take a medium petite or a small. But this is actually a medium, but not a petite. So let me know. I mean, I'm thinking I'm just gonna keep the medium, and I can wear it kind of oversized. I think it'll look cute with jeans. So I really do like this, and I don't have a color jacket. So this is exactly what I was looking for. So now I just need a pink jacket. But anyway, let me know what you thought of my mix and match box. I actually have been very, very happy with this service, and I think my stylist Alexis does a really great job. I mean, I haven't had a bad box, and this is my 6th box, and you know, I I really do believe they've all been good. So yeah, very happy, and thank you, Alexis. You do a really amazing job. But anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos and some outfits of the day. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.